Hello students. Now yesterday we have started the lesson that is the thief stories. Now we are going to turn towards the next part of the story. Already we have taken up to here. I thought that over for a minute. Perhaps I had misjudged my man. Here the narrator he had thought about the person who had met him. He was the Anil, and he thought that he will be poor, and perhaps he had chosen the wrong person. He had misjudged the wrong person. He thought that. Now here we are starting from here. Now I asked, can you feed me? After that he asked him, the narrator, the thief, he asked the Anil that, can you feed me? At the same time he replied, can you cook? Can you cook? तुला जेवण करता येतं का? If you cook, I can feed you. He told him that. Again he lied. I can cook. I lied again. He again lied that I can cook. Actually he doesn't know about cooking, but again as a thief he lied that I can cook because he wants to rob him. If you can cook, then maybe I can feed you. Anil replied now, if you can cook, then maybe I can feed you. जर तुला जेवण करता येत असेल तरच मी तुला खायला देऊ शकतो. I can feed you. But when if you can cook, जर तुला जेवण करता येत असेल तर. आता इथं now here subordinate clause is given, that is if you can cook. If you can cook, that is subordinate clause, and its type is adverb clause of condition, because if and unless shows condition. So here if you can cook, adverb clause of condition. He took me to his room over the Jumna sweet shop and told me I could sleep on the balcony. After that Anil had taken the narrator, the thief, to his room, and his room was where over the Jumna sweet shop, where his room was, that is here over the Jumna sweet shop. Anil's room was over the Jumna sweet shop, and after that he told me I could sleep on the balcony. Later he told him that you can sleep here on the balcony, but the meal I could cook that night must have been terrible. At the same night he cooked the meal, but he lied that I can cook, and that the same night he had cooked, but it became terrible one. He thought that I cooked that night, but it must have been terrible because Anil gave it to a stray dog and told me to be off. Why he thought that the food that night he made was a terrible one? Because Anil gave all the food which was made by the narrator himself. It was given it to a stray dog and told me to be off, and told him to be off. ज्या रात्री हे त्या नॅरेटरनं, त्या चोरानं, त्या थीपनं जेव्हा हे कुकिंग केलं होतं, जेव्हा ते अन्न शिजवलं होतं, त्याच वेळेस ते टेरिबल असावं, ते भयानक असावं असा विचार केला. कारण त्याच रात्री अनिलनं तेच अन्न जे आहे ते स्ट्रे डॉगना, काही भटक्या कुत्र्यांना ते फेकून दिलं आणि त्याला बाहेर जायला सांगितलं. बट आय जस्ट हंग अराउंड, पण त्याच ठिकाणी मी थांबून राहिलो. आय जस्ट हंग अराउंड देअर स्माइलिंग इन माय मोस्ट अपिलिंग वे. I was smile as usual in my most appealing way, and he couldn't help laughing. He couldn't help laughing. तो जरा सुद्धा हसला नाही, and he smiled as usual. Later he patted me on the head and said, "Never mind." After that he patted me on the head and said, "Never mind." He would teach me to cook. त्यानंतर त्याने माझी पाठ थोपवली. He patted me ऑन द हेड ॲज वेल ॲज सेड नेवर माइंड, काही हरकत नाही असं तो म्हणाला. दॅट आय कॅन टीच यू हाऊ टू कुक. ही टोल्ड हिम, अनिल टोल्ड हिम दॅट आय कॅन टीच यू हाऊ टू कुक. मी तुला जेवण कसं करायचं हे शिकवतो असं तो म्हणाला. ही ऑल्सो टॉट मी टू राईट माय नेम अँड सेड ही वूड सून टीच मी टू राईट होल सेंटेन्सेस अँड टू ॲड नंबर्स. बघा, ही not only taught him how to cook, but also he also taught how to write his name, how to write the whole sentences, as well as how to add numbers. All these things are taught by Anil to whom? Thief means narrator. या सगळ्या गोष्टी या अनिलने त्या चोराला, त्या थीपला शिकवलेल्या आहेत. I was grateful. Here he was thankful one. He was grateful. I knew that once I could write like an educated man. Now he thought that once definitely I could write like an educated person, an educated man, because Anil has started him how to write whole sentence, how to read, how to add numbers. All these things are being started to teach him by Anil. Now he thought that once I could write like an educated person, there would be no limit to what I could achieve. And after that, when I get education from Anil, then definitely there would be no limit to what I could achieve. I can achieve anything. But when if I educated, he thought that जर मी हे सगळं शिकलो तर एक दिवस असा नक्की येईल की त्या दिवशी मी या सगळ्या गोष्टी अचीव करेन, या सगळ्या गोष्टी मला मिळतील. पण या सगळ्या गोष्टी जेव्हा मी शिकेल तेव्हा. आफ्टर दॅट इट वॉज क्वाईट प्लीजंट वर्किंग फॉर अनिल. नाव ही वॉज व्हेरी मच हॅपी. इट वॉज क्वाईट प्लीजंट वर्किंग फॉर अनिल. अनिल ऑल्सो वॉज हॅपी टू टीच हिम. आय मेड द टी इन द मॉर्निंग अँड देन वूड टेक माय टाईम बाईंग द डेज सप्लाईज. How he spent his time, the narrator, the thief, he spent his time. At first what he had done, he had made the tea in the morning. तो सकाळचा चहा करायचा. And then would take my time buying the day's supplies. After that he would spend his time, but where? Buying the vegetables, buying the groceries. It means buying the day's supplies. That is given here, day's supplies. This one, buying the day's supplies. He had spent his time to buy the day's supplies, to buy vegetables, grocery, etc. Usually making a profit of about ₹1 a day. And after that, what he actually done, he usually make profit of ₹1 a day. दररोज त्याला या खरेदीतून ₹1 प्रॉफिट मिळायचा. He always every day he get a profit of nearly about ₹1. I think he knew I made a little money this way, but he did not seem to mind. He thought that, now the narrator, the thief, thought that I can make a little money this way. Now which way he has chosen to make money? He had chosen the way that while buying the day supplies, he make a profit of nearly about a single rupee a day, and in this way he wants to make a little money, but he did not seem to mind. He never mind that he had chosen this way for making such a money. त्यातून त्यानं असं ठरवलं की आपण दररोज ₹1 मिळवायचा आणि अशा प्रकारे आपण पैसे साठवायचे आहेत. अँड ही डिड नॉट सीम टू माइंड. आणि त्याची ती काहीच हरकत नव्हती. Now Anil made money by fits and starts. By fits and starts, the word given here by fits and starts means here in short irregular intervals. That is given here in short irregular intervals. This one by fits and starts म्हणजे अधूनमधून. Anil made money by fits and starts. Now he had chosen this way and he made some money by fits and starts by irregular intervals. He would borrow 1 week, lend the next. Now he would borrow 1 week, lend the next. What actually Anil for making money, he can borrow 1 week and after that he lend the next. He borrow some money for a week and after that he lend all these things for the next month. He kept worrying about his next check, but as soon as it arrived he would go out and celebrate. He kept worrying about his next check. He always kept looking worried about the next check. नेक्स्ट चेकबद्दल त्याला नेहमी काळजी लागायची. बट ॲज सून ॲज इट अराइव्ड ही वूड गो आउट अँड सेलिब्रेट इट. पण जेव्हा तो चेक यायचा, जेव्हा ते त्याला पैसे मिळायचे, वेन ही गेट इट्स ऑल मनी ॲट द सेम टाईम ही वूड गो आउट अँड सेलिब्रेट. ही ऑलवेज enjoyed, he always celebrated with the help of the money. It seems he wrote for magazines, a clever way to make a living. How he make money? Here that is the question. It seems, I thought that he wrote for magazines. कदाचित तो मॅगझिनसाठी लिखाण करत असावा आणि त्यातून तो त्याला पैसे मिळत असावे. It seems that he was writing for magazines, a clever way to make a living. That was the single way to make a living for him, for Anil. After that, one evening what happened, he came home with a small bundle of notes. Now I think he got his check, and one of the evening, and that evening he came along with small bundle of notes. He came home with a small bundle of notes at the same evening. And after that what happened, saying he had just sold a book to a publisher. He said that I had just sold a book to the publisher and I got some money, and he brought a small bundle of notes that evening. At night I saw him tuck the money under the mattress. At the same night he had tucked that bundle of notes where? Under the mattress. Now the question will ask you that where he had tucked his money that night. He had tucked his money under the mattress. Where? Under the mattress he has tucked his money. त्या मॅट्रेस खाली त्यानं आपले सगळे पैसे लपवून ठेवले रात्रीच्या वेळेस. Now next, I had been working for Anil for almost a month. Now the thief narrator thought that he had been working for Anil for almost a month. जवळपास 1 महिना होऊन गेला होता की जो नॅरेटर जो होता, जो चोर होता, थीप होता, तो अनिलसाठी काम करत होता. Now it was almost a month, and apart from cheating on the shopping, had not done anything in my line of work. He had cheated while shopping, as we before learned that while buying the food grains, while buying the groceries, while buying the vegetables, he will get the profit of a single rupee a day, and in this way he started to make his money or make his living. But now he thought that Anil had a small bundle of notes and he had not done anything in his line of work apart from cheating on the shopping. Now I had every opportunity for doing so. Now he had seen that small bundle of notes. Now he thought that he had lot of opportunity to cheat him or for doing the theft. Anil had given me a key to the door and I could come and go as I pleased. Actually अनिलनं त्याच्यावरती विश्वास ठेवला होता. So he had given him a key of the door as well as whenever he can come and go as he pleased. जेव्हा जेव्हा तो त्याला पाहिजे तेव्हा तो जाऊ शकत होता बाहेर किंवा आत येऊ शकत होता. म्हणजेच काय, Anil trust him. Anil had given him a key to the door. He was the most trusting person I had ever met. Now also he thought that, the thief thought that Anil was the most trusting person he had ever met. म्हणजे आतापर्यंत त्याला भेटलेला सगळ्यात ट्रस्टिंग पर्सन जर कोण असेल तर कोण होता? अनिल. अनिल वॉज दी वन ऑफ दी पर्सन्स he had ever met. He was most trusting one. Now next one, and that is why it was so difficult to rob him. And because of that, he was a trusting person. So he thought that it was very difficult to rob him because he was the most trusting person for Anil, for the narrator. It's easy to rob a greedy man. Again he thought that it is very easy to rob a greedy man because he can afford to be robbed. But it's very difficult to rob a careless man. त्यानं तो नंतर पुन्हा विचार करतोय की एखाद्या ग्रेडी मॅनला, एखाद्या हावरट पर्सनला किंवा एखाद्या लोभी व्यक्तीला फसवणं खूप सोपं असतं. इट्स व्हेरी इझी टू चीट ऑर टू रॉब अ ग्रेडी मॅन बिकॉज ही कॅन अफोर्ड टू बी रॉब. कारण त्याला ते अफोर्ड होते, ते पेलण्यासारखं आहे, कारण तो ग्रेडी पर्सन आहे. ही कॅन अफोर्ड टू बी रॉब्ड, बट इट्स व्हेरी डिफिकल्ट टू रॉब अ केअरलेस मॅन. पण एखाद्या केअरलेस पर्सनला, एखाद्या निष्काळजी व्यक्तीला फसवणं, त्याला रॉब करणं खूप डिफिकल्ट असतं, खूप अवघड असतं. समटाइम्स ही डझंट इवन नोटीस ही हॅज बीन रॉब्ड. ॲक्च्युली it is very difficult to rob a careless person because he doesn't even notice he has been robbed sometimes. तो काही वेळा आपली चोरी झालेली आहे याकडे सुद्धा तो दुर्लक्ष करतोय. ही हॅज बीन इवन नोटीस दॅट ही हॅज बीन रॉब्ड अँड दॅट टेक्स ऑल दी प्लेजर आउट ऑफ द वर्क. आणि त्यामुळं चोरांच्या कामातला सगळा जो आनंद आहे, प्लेजर जो आहे, तो सगळा निघून जातोय बिकॉज he was the careless person and he doesn't even notice that he has been robbed. Hence he thought that, the narrator thought that all the pleasure out of the work had been taken away because of the such type of person. Well, it's time I did some real work, I told myself. Now he told himself that I have to do something because robbing is the main occupation of the narrator. And now he thought that nearly about 1 month had gone, and now he thought that I had to do something for my real work. What was his real work? Robbing. Now I told myself, he told himself that I am out of practice. आता खूप दिवस होऊन गेले, सवय पण मोडली होती. I am out of practice and if I don't take the money, he will only waste it on his friends. He thought that because Anil has a habit, whenever he got the check or whenever he got the money, at the same time what he actually did, he celebrate all the money on his friends, and he thought that if I don't take the money, he will only waste it on his friends. Now या नॅरेटरनं असा विचार केला, जर मी हे पैसे काढून घेतले नाहीत तर नक्कीच हा अनिल जो आहे तो आपल्या मित्रांच्यावरती खर्च करेल, वेस्ट करेल. आफ्टर ऑल ही डझंट इवन पे मी. आणि नाहीतर तो मला पे तरी कुठे करतो आहे, मला पगार तरी कुठे देतो आहे. आणि त्यामुळं आय मस्ट हॅव टू डू समथिंग फॉर इट. नाव अलॉंग विथ दिस व्हिडिओ लेक्चर आय एम गोइंग टू गिव यू सम exercise. You have to solve it properly and send me its feedback. Thank you.